Yo, what's up? Welcome back again. This is your African boys, myself, Gabs, Gabi, and today I'm with
Muhi from Sudan.
Yeah, is my new friend here in this channel. Is gonna be his first time reacting with him, so show him some love, guys. So today we are reacting to Ravindra Jadeja. You know the team of Ravindra Jadeja?
Yeah,
Which
of course. Let me. Okay, give me 1 minute. I think.
Say.
Okay. I forget fast, but I know Rohingya, I know Dhoni, I know
Dhoni,
I know.
They belong to which team? Chennai what? CSK.
CSK, yeah. I think
Chennai
it's
Super. Yeah, this team is higher. Chennai only is Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, Chennai all in Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah, so the team name is CSK, Chennai Super King.
Yeah.
So they belong to this team. They are the best players of this team, big players. Love from Africa, guys. So today we are going to see the best fielder in the world. We don't know if you got the best fielder in the world. You can let us know, guys. Drop your comment down. So without
should be a run out. Brilliant from India. They needed something special. They get it. Outstanding, Jadeja.
Yes, has worked his way as a fielder.
Just given a chance. Some running to do. It's a good take. It's safe. When the pressure's on, you've got to take those.
A very good catch by Jadeja. He's brilliant in the field.
He's got it on second attempt. That's a wonderful take. Possibly a match-turning event.
also this one. So this was Ravindra Jadeja. It's one of the best player.
In my day, I think because he catch a lot of ball and he is so fast, you have to run. You have to run fast to catch.
So active.
Active. You have to focus these players and these players to catch the ball. So I think he is the best. This is my opinion.
Yeah, he's best actually. He did a lot of save. I don't know, this video was when 2 years ago. I think in that 2 years ago, that time in Premier League, he was the best. He was best. We don't know about now, guys. How is he now? Is he still the best or not? Let us know.
Write in comment.
Yeah, congratulations again to Chennai for winning the IPL. Love from Africa, guys. Make sure to like this video and subscribe. Share also if it is your first time. Join the African family. Love you all.